Hello students, this is Shantanu sir, and today we have to start a new chapter, circle. All of you know what is a circle. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point from center. So think that this is a center and this is a circle. Think that this is a O. Now the constant distance from the center to any point of the circle, think that this is a, then it's called radius. Now we have to know what is the standard equation of a circle. Think that O, H, K be the center of the circle and A, X, Y be any point of the on the circumference of the circle and R be the radius of the circle. Then the equation of the circle in standard form will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the standard form or standard equation of a circle. Now try to solve a problem. Find the equation of the circle whose center half comma 1/4 and radius equal to 1/12 units. So this is center. Think that h is equal to 1/2 and k is equal to 1/4 and radius given it's equal to 1/12 units. Now what is the standard form of circle? The standard form of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now put the value of hk here. So x minus 1/2 whole square plus y minus 1/4 whole square equal to 1/12 whole square. Now this is the form of a square plus b square is a minus b whole square. So just use the formula and then we will get x square plus y square minus x minus y/2 plus 11/36 equal to 0. And from here we can write x square, actually it will be 36x square, 36y square minus 36x minus 18y plus 11 equal to 0. This is our final answer. And always remember the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square always be equal. Understood everyone? Now the equation of circle is changes according to the different condition. So think that condition number 1. When the circle passes through origin, actually 0, 0, then the equation will be x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equal to 0. So this is the general form when it's passed through origin. Next case number 2. When the center lies on the x-axis or y-axis, any. If the center lies on x-axis, then the point will be h, 0. Then the equation will be x minus h whole square plus y square equal to r square. And if the center in y-axis, then it will be 0, k. Then the equation will be x minus actually x square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now case number 3. When the circle touch in x-axis or y-axis, touch in x-axis, then the equation will be x minus h whole square plus y plus minus r whole square equal to r square. And when the circle touch in y-axis, then the equation will be x plus minus r whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Next, when the circle touch in both axes, x also y, then the equation will be x plus minus r whole square plus y plus minus r whole square equal to r square. Now we have to know the general equation of a circle, and this is the most important general equation of circle. And the general equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus c equal to 0, or it can be written as a 2gx or 2fy. So this is the general form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And this equation of circle is called general equation of a circle with center. Here is the center will be minus g minus f, and radius will be under root g square plus f square minus c. Understood, everyone? Now try to solve example number 2. Find the equation of a circle whose diameter are 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, and area is 154 square centimeter. So these two are diameter of a circle. Now just solve this two equation, then we will get x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 2. We know that the center is the point of intersection of diameter. Okay, so the center will be minus 3 comma 2. Now let r be the radius of the circle. Then the area will be pi r square, and the given area is 154. So pi r square equal to 154. So from here we will get r is equal to 7. Now the center is minus 3 comma 2 and the radius is 7. Hence the equation will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 7 square. That's mean 49. This is our final answer. Understood, everyone? Now try to solve example number 3. Find the center and radius of the circle given by the equation 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 9 by 8 equal to 0. So this is our given equation and we have to find center and radius. So always try to coefficient of x square and y square be 1. So here is 2. So write the equation x square plus y square dividing by 2. It will be 3 by 2x and here 4 by 2, that's mean 2y, and here 9 by 16 equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? It's 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 is the coefficient of x and coefficient of y is only 2. So alpha means center. So center will be, just compare with the final equation. 2g is equal to 3 by 2. So 2g is equal to 3 by 2. So g is equal to 3 by 4. And here also 2f is equal to 2 and hence f is equal to 1. So what is the formula of center? Center formula it's minus g and minus f. So therefore the center will be minus 3 by 4 and minus 1. Now try to find the radius of the circle. And what is the formula of radius? So radius equal to under root g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus c. That's mean under root g, that's mean minus 3 by 4 whole square plus f square minus 1 whole square minus c. So c means 9 by 16. So write here 9 by 16. Now simply calculate, then we will get only 1. So our radius only 1. Understood everyone? So that's all for today. On the next class, we will discuss about more from circle. Okay? Bye everyone.